Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to schedule Google Meet in Calendar. I will also show you how to add Calendar to Google Meet. So there's two different ways of doing this. One of them is in meet.google.com. The other one is going to be in calendar.google.com. So right here, the first option is to do it straight in the calendar. So you're going to want to click on whichever time slot you want your meeting in. So for instance, I'm going to do the 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. one right here. You can change that if you want to within here. You can add all the guests you want in the meeting, the location. You can also set a reminder like before it as well. Let's say 15 minutes before you want a reminder, you can do that. And then you can add tasks, etc. All this information is here. Add a title to it. Do whatever you want with that, but make sure you click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing to it. That's going to be the button you're going to want to press. Then you can also copy that by pressing Copy Meeting Link button right here. And then you can join it instantly as well if you want to, but make sure you save that, and that will save it to your calendar. So then you can kind of click on that, then join with Google Meet in that meeting when you want to, just like that. So that's one way of doing it within here. The other way is going on Google Meet, then clicking New Meeting. For this, this is going to be for the host of the meeting, so schedule in Google Calendar for that when you click New Meeting, and then you can put in all your details here of when you want the meeting, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to this time right here. Then you can do it however you want to, changing this example. I'll just click Join with Google Meet. That's going to be what you're going to want to do for this. So that's what you're going to be doing when you join it. So you just click Join Now, then you'll be in the meeting, but it will save like this right here. Once you're done with it, click Save in there. Then you'll see it's added right there, the 3:30 version. So you've got both of them in there. Both of them work both ways. So it's up to you how to do it. But leave a like on the video if this did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Google Meet app. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.